We've got a breaking news situation in Power Juiceville today where a single mother was reported dead by her son. We've got the most trusted name and hairstyle in the news, none other than Dan Wright on the scene.
You're damn right I'm Dan Wright. Here at the scene of the mysterious death of Veronica Pao. Investigators were called to the scene when a child was spotted running through the streets, shouting, "Help, help, somebody has my mommy." Well, little man, looks like somebody had your mommy. Past tense, because she's dead now. Back to you, Tom. We good?
Yep. So turns out it was just a rash.
And we've received an exclusive phone interview with the lead investigator on scene.
Well, preliminary reports were of a tall black man attacking the mother, but with no signs of a struggle, forced entry, theft. Her dress clothes were perfectly in order. It just sounds like a racial profiling accusation waiting to happen. So, hey, all of this is off the record, right?
Time to get some shut-eye, Minky Poo.
Mommy, what's that stuff for?
Oh, don't worry. It's just for a meeting tomorrow.
Oh, okay. Hey, Mommy,
Yes, honey?
do you think Dad's gonna come back?
I'm not sure. It's just important to focus on getting some sleep tonight.
Okay. I love you, Mommy.
I love you too, Minky Poo.
Good night, Mommy.
Good night.
Wake up, Johnny! Morning. You know what that means. It's time to go to New Mexico, Johnny.
No, I don't want to go.
How's that hand looking?
I'm tired.
I don't give a shit, Johnny. We gotta go to Power Juiceville.
My hand's back to normal.
Look at that, all healed up. Look at that. Time to go get that power juice.
How are we gonna get to New Mexico?
Oh. I'm glad you asked, Johnny, because I've got just the ride. Come over here with me. How about this, Johnny?
Sure this will get us across the ocean?
Oh, it will. And then some. And a little bit more. 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 And a little bit more.
Where'd you get it anyway?
I stole it, as I'm a criminal. In case you forgot that was kind of the main point of this.
Well, we are criminals, so I agree with what you did.
That's right. And you know what that means, Johnny?
I'm a criminal too?
No, you it means we gotta make a clean getaway from the coppers. Let's ride. Alright, Johnny. You be sure that there's no coppers following us.
I'm making sure.
Wow, this thing goes really fast.
We're sure going really fast.
That's right. And it's all thanks to this power juice we use to fuel. Ah, fuck. I love some power juice.
Yeah, it sure makes us go fast.
That's right. You see any coppers, Johnny?
Not yet.
Alright. You know what you're gonna do if you see any coppers?
I'm gonna shoot them all.
You're gonna shoot them all, Johnny. We're gonna make the cleanest getaway they've ever seen, Johnny.
Oh, there's some coppers behind us.
Some coppers
I'm
behind
gonna
us.
shoot them all.
That's right, Johnny. Get those scum out of here. They can't follow
Shot
us.
'em all.
They can't follow us to Power Juiceville, Johnny. Because you know what they'll do if they follow us to Power Juiceville.
They'll ruin our plans to rule the world.
Something like that. That's right. They want all our power juice. That's illegal. Ah. Oh, yeah.
Sure love power.
Yeah, we got that.
How long is it gonna take us to get to New Mexico?
It's gonna take a long time, Johnny.
How
We
long?
gotta- depends. How fast we go across the Atlantic Ocean.
Will this power juice get the bike to go fast across the water?
Johnny, you might just be a genius. Add a drop of power juice to the fuel. Oh, Jesus Christ, Johnny! Johnny, lower yourself! We gotta be more aerodynamic, Johnny! Ah! We're going fast!
We're going real fast.
I mean real fast, Johnny!
Those coppers will never catch us.
I don't think they will!
We made it across the ocean.
Jesus fucking Christ, Johnny!
You need some power juice?
I need some,
You okay?
oh, Jesus fucking Christ. Oh, Johnny, I think we need to stop
Drink some
by,
power juice.
we need to go to Walgreens.
Why?
I need some prescription medication right now, Johnny.
You just need some power juice.
Johnny,
Come on.
Johnny, I think I shit myself, Johnny. I think I shit myself. Oh, Jesus, I told myself that again, Johnny.
Okay,
Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck.
I'm just gonna...
No, wait.
Let's...
Johnny, can you...
I'll just stop by the,
Can you get my keys?
keys.
Go get the car warmed up. Go get the car warmed up. Oh fuck.
Wait, we're not... We're out of,
Oh fuck. Oh, it's sticky. Oh, we're never going that fast again. Oh,
okay.
oh, we're never going that fast again. Oh god.
Shit.
Oh fuck. I probably drank too much Gatorade.
Where are your keys?
By my wallet. It's on top of my wallet. Oh, fucking mask.
Alright, let's... Oh, let's go.
Get the car warmed up. It's fucking cold out there.